Hey, welcome to copperkillsit.com. This is the install video for the crash bar cover. All of our covers come with VHB tape pre-installed. Just peel off the red paper from the other side of the tape. Go ahead and take it. Before you peel that tape, make sure you've sized it, got the right size, and know where it's going to go at practice, because the VHB tape adheres pretty quickly. So I'm going to make sure my copperkillsit.com logo is upright, and then I just take it, line it up with where I want it, rest that top flange on the top of the bar, and then just press in place. And that's it. That's all there is to installing the copperkillsit.com crash bar cover.